That's following me. Okay. I'm getting too old for this, guys. I'm too old. All right, come here. Here we go. Please, God, don't let us out. Follow me. Come here, pumpkin. Come here, little puppy. Oh, Jesus. Come here. Come on, little puppy. Come here, little puppy. All right, come here. Come here, pumpkin. Come on, pumpkin. Hey. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we got it. We got all of you. I think all 10 of you. Are you sure nobody else is in here? See any more puppies? No. Oh. Okay, let's get out of here. You ready to go get warm, Dumpling? Here we go. Let's go get warm. We can get out of here alive. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's back out of here. Hopefully this house doesn't fall on us. Oh, God. All right, here we go. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Yeah, number 10. We got number 10. All right, Mommy, I got your babies. You ready? Let's go. Come on. We'll go to where it's warm now. If I can get up. Jesus. All right. Oh, there we go. Wearing me out, guys. Come on, Mama. You ready? Let's go get in the car. Come on. I got all your babies. Come on. I got them all, Mama. Mama, I got them all.